Guys, welcome to her vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
We're cooking spaghetti sauce now for our outing tomorrow. We were going to Quezon.
And then Pansol Lagana.
And to the Pansol Laguna. We're
Swimming.
cooking baon for tomorrow because
Swimming.
because ano ba wala ako. Ayan guys, we will put the minced pork now.
For spaghetti pababa.
Yeah,
Spaghetti
this is
pata.
spaghetti sauce, guys. First, like and share my vlog. Like and share, guys.
And then, luto na ba ang ano mo? Pasta? Ha?
Hindi pa. Kaya nga, ayan guys.
Bukas natin.
We're cooking the
Sa
sauce
YouTube ko to
first.
isen.
YouTube. YouTube. Hindi ko
Oh.
naman alam ng ano isa.
Bukas YouTube. Ito naman. Bukas ko na to isen. Ngayon
We
sa
will put
YouTube
the
ko.
black pepper, guys.
Black pepper. And then,
Ayan, we use my hand.
okay, it's very clean.
I already finished cook, guys. Kaloko. Ayan, may edit mo.
Wala edit yan.
Wala.
Wala edit yan.
Sira ulo.
And then,
Ayan, guys. Mix together until the minced pork become golden brown.
okay. And then,
And then we will put some magic syrup, guys. Ayan, like that.
tak, Ajinomoto.
Hindi ko alam ano sa ito. Ayan, guys. Susunog.
And then,
Mix together, guys. Ayan.
smells
Smell good.
good.
Smell nice.
Smell good.
Smell yummy.
Smell yummy. Yummy.
Feels good. Feels sa YouTube
Wala
pa.
nakikumpang ako sa inyo.
Sabi ko sa nanay na yun, wag na ako kayo masyadong masipagit pag mabigyan ko rin ng
Sorry.
Sabi ko, ano ba ang tatawag ko sa inyo? Hindi ko alam. Tawag ko yun, ano ba ito tawag ko doon? Sabi ko, mami na lang. Put the spaghetti sauce now with vitamin A to C.
Ito ng klase yung
Ayan guys, use the Fiesta Filipino with ketchup na already. No need to buy ketchup. Mix. Ayan, nakuha ba na? And put another one. Come here. And
Ilang ano ba? Ilang kilo ang nilagay?
Dalawa. We will put also the ketchup. Ay ka dito, mas napapagod na akong salita.
Diyos ko, ayaw ko mag-voice over ka na yan. Hindi doon ang mag-voice over.